Microsoft just confirmed something they've been ignoring for a year. A hidden file on your C drive can grow to 500 gigabytes, and you can't even open the folder to check it. This isn't a virus. It's not your fault. It's a bug Microsoft only admitted to today. Here's exactly how to check if it's happening to you and the official fix. There's a file called CapabilityAccessManager.db-wal. It lives inside program data on your Microsoft Windows folder. Its job is small. It logs every time an app asks for your camera, microphone, or location. Normally, this file stays under 2 megabytes. On affected PCs, it doesn't stop growing. Some users found it at 70 gigabytes. Some found it past 100. In the worst reported cases, it hit 500 gigabytes on a single drive. Done. That's the file. Now let's check if it's yours.
First, the quick check. Open Settings. Go to System, then Storage. Click Show More Categories. Look at System and Reserved, then System Files. If that number looks unusually high, especially if it's grown without you installing anything new, that's your first flag. Done. That confirms something's off, but it won't name the file. For the exact number, you need a second tool, because File Explorer will block you with access is denied on that folder. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type robocopy, then the path to the Capability Access Manager folder, followed by a temporary folder, using the /L flag to list files without copying them. This bypasses the permission block and shows you the real file size. Done. If CapabilityAccessManager.db-wal shows a few megabytes, you're fine. If it shows gigabytes, you're affected. You can also use a free tool like TreeSize or WizTree if you'd rather see it visually instead of through command prompt.
Some posts online will tell you to take ownership of the folder, override permissions, and delete the file yourself. Don't do that. This service controls how apps access your camera, microphone, and location. Break it, and those permissions can stop working correctly. Before this week, deleting the file was a temporary fix at best. The bug would just refill it. Don't manually touch this folder. There's now an official patch that does it safely. Microsoft's fix is Update KB5095093. It was released June 23rd as an optional preview update, and Microsoft's own release notes confirm it improves disk space usage for this exact file. Here's how to get it now without waiting. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. If it doesn't show automatically, go to Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. Look for KB5095093. Select it and click Download and Install. Done. Restart your PC when it asks. If you'd rather not install an optional preview update, you don't have to act today. Microsoft is rolling this same fix into the mandatory Patch Tuesday update on July 14th. Every Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 system gets it automatically on that date. No action needed. But if your drive is already tight on space, don't wait a week for it to keep growing. Install it now. After the update installs and your PC restarts, run the same robocopy check again,
Or open TreeSize and look at that same folder. The DB-wal file should be back down to a few kilobytes or megabytes. Done. That confirms the fix took, and you've got that storage back. So to be clear, this wasn't your files, your downloads, or anything you did wrong. It was a year-old bug Microsoft only confirmed today. Install KB 5059093 now, or let Patch Tuesday handle it automatically on July 14th. Either way, that storage comes back. Next video, I'm covering 3 more hidden Windows 11 settings, quietly using up space you don't know about.